How to sell webinar and workshop recordings on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products in this platform, which is Etsy.com. And for those who don't know what is Etsy, what is its job, so basically guys, Etsy is a platform where you can sell your mostly your handmade products or your products in general, and also you can buy other products from it. As you can see in here, we have a lot of products and we have here some categories. So for example, let's check this product just to show you guys the shop page of the products. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one for your products. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So here, let's just click on the sign in button to create our new account by clicking on register. And if you already have an account, just click on sign in and give it a few seconds to load. So here we just go to your top right, click on the shop manager, and then you will proceed to setting up your shop page. So here I'm just going to go back to the first step to show you how you can do that from the beginning. So here, this is the first step here. First guys, we have 6 steps and we will start from this one to the right, from the left to the right, and then we will click on save and continue. So basically here, the first step is the shop preferences, where you choose the language, the country and the currency of your shop. So here it's chosen automatically, but just if you are not from the United States, I advise you to change your currency to the United States dollar, and then click on save and continue. Then choose a name for your shop. So for me, I'm just going to choose the niche's name, for example. So here, make sure guys to choose a name that stands out for your shop. For me, I'm just giving you an example. So here you need the name to meet these requirements between 4 and 20 characters, no special characters, spaces or accented letters. So it seems that it's too long. Let's try to shorten it a little bit. And it's still a long name. So here it is. Great thinking, this name is available. So here, after choosing your name, click on save and continue, and then you proceed to fill in the information about your product. As you can see, add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You will be able to edit this later. So here guys, just for you to know, you can't just click on save and continue without filling these informations. So in order to proceed to the next step, you will need to fill all of these informations. Well, most of them, like the images, the videos, are not required. Just if you have one, the listing details also is required, and so on. So here I'm just going to start with the images. So here guys, make sure to follow these tips, and it says please upload at least one photo. So you will need at least to upload one photo of your product, and the most you have the better, if you understand. Then follow these tips, use natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn or used, shoot against a clean simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then you have the video. If you have a video, you can upload it. If not, you can just learn how to make videos that sell and you record it yourself. If not, it's not required, you can just skip it. Then you have the listing details. So here it's required to give a title. So as I was saying, I'm just going to type my niche's name as a title again, or just for example. Then you're going to answer these questions. each one and its own answer. Make sure to answer it accurately, and then you choose the category of your product. Just type the name of your product and they will suggest a lot of categories, so choose the one that matches your product. And then you have these other optional settings, you fill them or you just skip them. So for me, I'm just going to skip them to save time if they are obvious. Then we have the description, which is also obvious. Just read this. Start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features and so on, and then try to make something that will describe your product. And if you can't do that, just go to ChatGPT, give them a little description for your product, and they will provide a good description for this shop page. Then you have these other three optional settings if you want to fill them. Then we have the pricing and inventory. So here, make sure your price must be between 0.20 and 50 G United States dollars, and that's it for the pricing. Then we have the domestic and global pricing. If you want to turn it off, if not, just leave it like this, turned on. Then you have the quantity, so make sure to fill the quantity number. So just type as much pieces as you have in that product. Then you have the SKU number, which is optional. And then we have variations if your product has variations. Then we have the personalization if you want to turn it on or off. Then we have the shipping settings. So here you fill the country of origin, the country of origin of your product, the original postal code, the processing time, how much time do you need to prepare an order and put it in the mail, as you can see. And also keep in mind, shoppers have shown they're more likely to buy items that ship quickly, so keep that in mind and try to ship your product quickly. Then we have the standard shipping. You fill also these information, the shipping service, delivery time, what you'll charge, everything else, and if you have other locations or other shipping upgrades. Then we have the return and exchanges, and here we have two options if you want to add the simple policy or if you want to create your own policy. So that's it guys for today's video. When you're done with filling all of this information, you click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And unfortunately for me, I don't have all of these settings, so I can't proceed to the next process, but it's easy, you will figure it out. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up.